think the seaplane's just landed. So about halfway to Shark Island. You can see it ahead. It probably looks a bit further away because it's on a wide angle on the GoPro, but you can see Sydney Harbour Bridge, and just to the left of that is peeking out is the tip of the Opera House. It's about 1 kilometre from here. Again, probably looks further away on camera. And then to the left of that you'll see Sydney City skyline and Centre Point Tower to the far left, and then going round behind me again to Rose Bay. And there's Nick heading out to Shark Island. Pulling into Shark Island. Hopefully there'll be a beach to pull into, and there'll be very few people on here. There's a couple of people.